Page 39, skipping along. This is some more sight reading things. In the previous video, we started about steps. That's where the notes are next to each other. Well, a skip is anything beyond that. A skip could be here. A skip could be here. Anything that's not a step is a skip. What they're talking about here on the skips is just every other note type thing. Because the way the staff works, all the lines are every other note. So I have middle C, and then the bottom line is treble clef. The bottom line is an E, and the next is a G, and a B, and a D, and the top line is an F, blah, blah, blah. You haven't had all those notes yet, but the point is it's every other note. The spaces are the other notes, every other note. So below the staff is a D, then an F, and then an A, and a C, and an E, blah, blah, blah. You get the idea? Every other note. So when you look at the music and you see, like here at the beginning, in bass clef, you're here, and you're seeing all these notes in spaces, it's every other note. So it's got to be here, here. Because I went up to the next space, it's got to be up here. And that's just a quick way of when you're sight reading, you'll see these patterns. And the second line is treble clef, but again, it's lines. You're going up by lines, that's every other note. That's really about all I have to say on skipping along. Let's go ahead. We need to practice, so let's go ahead and do this. I'll play with me to make sure you got the notes and the rhythms correctly. I'll give us 4 counts. Now let's try this. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off.